4.0 magnitude earthquake hits southwest of Fillmore. A 4.0 magnitude earthquake hit Utah early Wednesday morning, and it's the fourth quake above 3.0 to hit the Beehive State in the last week. The U.S. Geological Survey Station at University of Utah indicates the quake struck just after midnight Wednesday morning about 18 miles southwest of Fillmore. Fillmore is a city in Millard County, Utah, United States. The population was 2,253 at the 2000 census. It is the county seat of Millard County. It is named for the 13th U.S. President Millard Fillmore. Fillmore was the capital of the Utah Territory from 1851 to 1856.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.